Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. With the arrival of macOS Catalina, this What's New video will bring you up to speed on some of the new features, and we'll follow up with a deeper dive in a future video. If you've not yet had chance to watch tip video 880 preparing for macOS Catalina, I'd strongly recommend that you do so before you decide to upgrade. If you want to hold off for a couple of weeks and do a clean install of macOS Catalina, Alison Sheridan is putting together a comprehensive guide to help you do just that. But in the meantime, let's take a first look at what's new in macOS 10.15 Catalina. So here we are with the new wallpaper for the island of Catalina, currently in light mode, but we have dark mode as we had with Mojave, but we also have a new auto mode as well. If I just go into System Preferences, and then you can see here actually System Preferences has had a bit of a makeover as well. So all your iCloud information and your Apple ID, family sharing, etc. is in this section. You'll see some other new icons which we'll touch on later, such as screen time. Screen time has now been brought across to the Mac, along with a new feature called Sidecar, which allows you to use your iPad as a secondary monitor. But again, we'll take a brief look at those later. But let's go across to General. And within General, we have the dark appearance as we had before, but we also have this new auto. And this is not just the desktop. This will actually adjust the appearance of buttons, menus, and windows throughout the day. I'm actually going to go into dark mode. I do prefer dark mode, to be honest. So I'm going to dark mode. Just it's a little bit easier on the eyes. But let's go ahead and close down System Preferences. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.